Check out this Kia 2019 Stinger Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 2.0L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.